Are we cooking chop suey today? And chop suey with rice? No, we're not cooking chop suey, but Arroz Valenciano or Paella Valenciana, the way it's usually done in its origin in Valencia, Spain. Manang Grace prepares the fresh vegetables from the garden, and she too will do the camera. We have lots of fun as we prepare this Paella Valenciana. Manang, wait. My Manang Grace is excited. And introducing Ingrid, representing Curaçao! Aruba! Sorry, Aruba! Aruba! Join us for some learning and lots of fun here on Channel 1, where we grow, cook and share. As you've heard in the introduction, we're cooking Paella Valenciana today. Well, if you hear paella, perhaps you would associate it with seafoods. But no, there are different types of paella. Paella de marisco, paella mixta, mixture of meat and seafoods. But now this is peasants paella Valenciana. Yay, it's vegetarian. As an option, they would add caracol. They would add caracol to it or snail. But we're dropping that. We're not adding snails. They're there in my pond, but we're not adding them. Let's add the garlic now. Madam Grace,
I love it.
we will be telling you the ingredients as we add them. We don't have time. It's too hot here. That's why, please, if you don't mind the outfit. Next, what do we add next? No allergies for chicken cube powder? No?
No, it's
That's
all right.
good. Okay. We're adding chicken powder just to enhance the flavor a bit. Anemic without this. Thank you, Manang. We have two cameras, my Manang Grace. Manang Grace, show your face. Manang Grace is doing the camera today.
I'm the camera woman now.
Okay. Yeah. We add the tomatoes. Thank you. Change camera. It's now our Yaya Ludo who's doing the camera. Thank you, Madam Grace, for camera 2. Okay. We have 3 cameras today. What a luxury.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Now we add the vegetables. Come closer, cameraman. Lots of cameras. This is fun.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's add everything.
Oh my god. Hello.
That's good.
Okay.
And we have a reporter here at Dutch Network. Yeah, it's being reported in Dutch if you can hear it. And I think it's subtitled even in Curaçao, in Papamiens. So dodging. Okay. Okay, I hope you're enjoying our shoot today. If you notice, it's a national team. We have a Belgian cameraman, a guest from Aruba, corrected, and from the Philippines, also from the Philippines, my man and Grace. And of course, we want to share the flavors of the world, and not just the world. On the other channel, My Barrio, My Mundo, we share places, events, and cultures like this one. Do you know that you can also grow these beauties in warmer climes, indoors? I made an experiment and it's a success. If you're interested, you can find the tutorial somewhere here or under. Let's explore the park further. During this, I'd like to talk about this paellero or this ancient paella mix. It's more convenient, although I have the recipe, it's in the description box, just browse through it for the complete list. But since it's very hot, I don't have the time and the energy to mix it. It's easy. The main ingredient is paprika or pimenton in Espanol, saffron, and some herbs. Oregano is one. I think we can add the rice now.
Is that the rice in the water?
Yeah.
Hindi mo nito ito. Oh, give it much water, right? I see.
Look at the colors, how lovely this can be. And we are not yet done because we're adding, don't go away too far, cameraman, the sun.
This is a cover the cooking.
Okay, we just need, it's good. Close up okay. Naturally,
Sinuwak ng cameraman.
deep is off.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, now let's add more glory, more color
More
to the recipe. We're adding now the paella mix.
In the mix and the tail. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay.
Heb je dat ook ingrid thuis?
Nee.
Wil je eens?
Nee. Nee. Hou het, want ik kan het.
Okay, by the way, I can't problem. By the way, coming soon, it will be cooking next. Man and Grace will be tasting it. You not because you're vegetarian. It will be paella negra or black rice. Abangan. Coming soon. Pakikiwar man ang mga lapid ano. We'll add more sweetness to this.
Oh,
I'm adding beans.
oh, waterbonjes.
Waterbonjes, patani.
Oh, okay. Ik heb die ook.
Look at the color. I think this is even more colorful than the regular paella.
I think so.
Yeah. And water. How much water you might be asking? We use, I think 3 cups of rice. I'll be using 1.5 the amount of rice. So that would be 5 or 3.5 or 4.5 I think. 1, 2, 3.
Let's do it.
It's been cooking. It's been simmering for more than 12 minutes now. Even put a lid to minimize evaporation. Look at that. Look at that. It should be al dente, they say. It's almost. We can turn it off now and allow the residual heat to cook the paella. So, do it at home. Paella alla Valenciana. Thank you for joining us here under the pergola in the garden, and see you on the next video.